Hey everyone, if you're someone who's looking to study abroad, then you have come to the right place. Just go to the Google and type in find scholarship with Shakil Education. Just click on the first available URL here. So you'll be landed in this page. As you can see, there are like around 50 scholarship available. If you have any countries in mind, so for example, as Australia, you'll find the country specific scholarships that are currently available here. So for example, if I choose this one, you'll see the available detail for that scholarship. Just carefully go through this section, and if you feel that you're eligible for this scholarship, just check your eligibility here, give your necessary information and fill in the form here, and just click on the inquire now. All your data will be sent it to our expert counselor of Australia, and they'll surely contact you as soon as possible. And if you have any other queries, you can always visit us at our office, and also you can contact us through our email, and every detail is available in our website. Feel free to check in. Thanks for watching, and hopefully see you soon.